Hi, Namaste. Welcome to Swas Afrikala, a true pleasure to make and enjoy food. So, if you are new to the channel and reached over here, then don't forget to subscribe the channel, which is totally free. Share it with your friends and family, and like the content, which is also free. So, now without further delay, let's jump into the video. So, today's video we are going to make tasty, yummy, sweet snack which you can enjoy anytime, even while living your fast, which is donut. Donuts are generally round shapes, but near our place we get long shaped donuts, and our bakery sellers sell it as donuts only. So for that we require yeast, sugar, butter, maida, milk and vanilla essence, that is optional. Now heat up milk and let it be lukewarm. Add this lukewarm milk in mixing bowl. Then add sugar and dissolve the sugar. Now in this mixture add yeast and rest for about 5 to 10 minutes by keeping the lid. Mix it once and then keep the lid. So we have rested this for about 10 minutes. Now open the lid and check if our yeast is nicely done. Now at this point add maida and mix the batter, and on kitchen counter or on big plate put this batter and knead for at least 10 minutes or up to 20 minutes. So we get soft, smooth maida atta. Now our dough is properly kneaded. We are going to keep it aside. So if you are reached over here and like the content, then do press the like button, which tells us that you like our recipe and you enjoy our recipe. So our smooth crack-free dough is ready. So apply butter on dough and on bowl also, so that it will not get stuck to the bowl. Rest this maida atta for 4 to 5 hours by putting the lid. So our atta is getting rested. We will make cream which we are going to put inside the bun. So for that we take a plate, add butter and beat it. You can beat the butter by hands or by using katori till its color changes. Once the color changes, add icing sugar and mix it well, and our cream is fluffy and smooth, which is ready. You can also use hand beater for making it. Now our fluffy cream is ready. We'll keep it aside in the fridge. Now let's check the dough. Our dough is rested for 3 to 5 hours. So our dough is almost double in size. Now make equal shape balls and make long bread like donuts. You can make any shape donuts like round shaped donuts or any shape you like. Don't make big size donuts as it may not get cooked from inside while putting in oil. Now our donuts are ready. Now take kadai, add oil and heat the oil properly. Check if oil is properly heated by adding a small ball of this batter. Now put our donuts and cook till they are goldenish brown in color. So our donuts are ready. So we will keep this goldenish brown yummy sweet donuts on serving bowl and sprinkle some icing sugar over it. You can serve like this only by putting icing sugar, or you can add the cream by cutting it from center and putting this cream. So our yummy donuts are ready to serve. If you like the video, then do press the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Swas Afrikala. Thank you for watching. Enjoy cooking.